Jenna is training for a triathlon and wants to eat a diet with a ratio of carbohydrates to protein to fat that is 4 to 3 to 2. What percent of her diet is the protein? What is the ratio of carbohydrates to fat? So according to the directions, we have a person training, and then the diet that specifically she wants to have has a ratio. So when we have a ratio, they're explaining to us in words. So right now I'm looking for the words that connect to the number. So let's kind of color code them. So the first word I see is carbohydrates, and then I see that 2 that separates, and then it says protein, and then so protein, and then again 2 is the separator for when we have ratio, and then they say fat. So I'm highlighting each of the 3. So we're given 3 different information, so we're looking for those numbers. So they gave us the numbers, so let's color code them as well. So the first was carbohydrates, so that means the 4, it belongs to the carbohydrates. The second one was the protein, so that means the 3 is the number for the protein given, and then lastly the fat is the last number, which is 2. So we're being asked to find percent. So what percent of her diet is the protein? So when we have a percent, we can visualize the information in a hundreds chart first before we do anything else. So I'm going to use my graph paper to draw a 100 chart so we can represent the percent and the ratio visually first. So when you have graph paper and 100% is 100 little squares, what I'm going to do is start with a corner and count 10 to the right and 10 to the left, so that will make the hundreds chart. So go ahead and pause the video and do that. So count. If you look, these are 10 in terms of length, and I'm going to go down and I will connect, so I'll get a square, basically a 10 by 10. So when I close it, I should have 100 or 10 groups of 10 also. Now I'm going to continue with the picture, but let's take a look and write down some information of what's given. So before we find the percent, we have the 4 to the 3 to the 2 is given, and the 4 represent the carbs, so I'm gonna abbreviate. 3 represented the protein, so you can abbreviate it as well, and then the 2 represented the fat. So if I do a visual, so the first 4 I can even color code, so remember when I would use the same highlighting. So 4 is for the carbs, green, and then yellow. So if I start doing one line at a time, or the way they gave it to me, I see 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 green, and then 2 for the fat. So right now if I look for a total of the ratio given, that's 9. So that's equal to, let's use like, so that if I was adding, so that is a 9-part total. Now this is like for one group, right? But we have percent, so out of 100, so I would continue repeating the picture. So that's one way, right? So and on. So I completed by going down in each group, and I do have one group going down this way that I haven't completed. So I'm going to do the same thing. So 4 are for the carbs, green is 3, and yellow is 2. So I have like one piece here left over almost that it's gonna be a part, so I don't want to highlight, but I can see. So out of 100, they're asking us just for the protein. So looking at the green, how many greens do we have? So that's one way you can think of it. So we have 1, 2, 3 groups of 10, so that's 30, and 3 more. And if I was doing parts, that will have a fraction piece here. So if I was doing approximation, I'm getting 33 out of 100, not counting again this little piece. So that's 33%, right? So that's equal to 33%. Now, if I want it to be more accurate in terms of parts, we're given 3 for the protein, right? So we're asking for protein, and the total is 9. So 9 does not go into 100. So one way to do it is to go 3 divided by 9 to be more precise. So pause the video and calculate what is 3 divided by 9. So it will give you 33, and then that's that one piece that it's gonna give us like 1/3, or 33%, 33.3. So we're getting more accurate here. So we can say 33.3 will be, the 3 will be repeating forever, and then percent. So that's kind of how we figure it out. So I did it 2 different ways. I like the picture because it does show the ratio of 100%. And then the second way is we'll use what you're given, and again, out of 100, or 100 represent 100%, right? So 9 is a total, and that represents 100%, and 3 is the part we're looking for. So that's why I divided 3 by 9, or the fraction 3/9 worked for example A. So going to example B now, it says what is the ratio? So let's take a look. Ratio is the math word again. This time they only want carbohydrate to fat. I'm looking at the 2, so that's the separator between the 2. And if I do color coding again, I'm gonna say, so blue 2, and then fat was yellow for color coding. So if they only want that, I will write it as a ratio. The ratio for carbohydrates was 4, and then let me see, so we have 4, and then we could write it in words or say 2, and then the fat was given to be 2. Now could we reduce that? So yes, we could. So if you write it as a fraction, we can say 4 carbs, I'm gonna just abbreviate to 2 fat, and then how does that reduce? So go ahead and finish that problem on your own.